Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and Fabric Friday. I think I'm going to cut some strips out now, 2.5-inch strips. I have now cut strips out. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strips that are 2.5 inches wide by about 40 inches long. And I've cut 6 of each colour, and I've placed them down so they go to light. Then I've got this larger panel, and I think this is 8 inches. I've cut that. I've cut that large panel about 8 inches, and I will be going from dark to light, then the middle panel, then light to dark. So now I'm just going to sew these together as I want them. This is the order that they're going to be sewn together. So let's start sewing now. Right, I've sewn one tube up, and what I've done is I started from the darkest colour and sewed each one through to light, and then I got to this middle strip, put that on, and then went back up from my light all the way up, but I did not put another dark one on because that's where I'm going to join them, and that's what I have done. So it's now a complete tube, and I've got to start cutting them. I should do some more, but I want to see the size this works out at, and it's going together quick and easy at the moment, but I've turned it back inside out. Now I don't know whether I want to start from my darkest colour or what. Because I'm going to have to fold it so I can cut it. Which isn't too bad, it's only going to be one fold. Well, yeah. I was thinking of doing 2 tube lots so I get the right order, but I put all my strips there which are alright, and I'll have the edgy bits of this that I can do. So I think I'm going to stretch it out because there's enough room on my table for lengthwise, but not this widthwise. So I'm going to have to fold it, and I'll line it up as well as I can do, that seam and me fold. Now there's a lot there, so touch more, and if I do line it up, if I do line it up on my cutting board for this trim, it won't be too bad. Now, how can you see that? No, you can't. They are. That's what I'm doing at first. I'm just trimming this edge up. So here goes for it. Straighten this edge up. and that's all bits. But I'll save that because I'll give me the layout. Although this footage will give me a layout. And now it's just sort of building. So I'm just going to go for it, you know. I'm going to start with a couple of 2 inches, I think. That's another 2 inch. Now I'll do 1.5 inch. A 1 inch. I have no pattern to follow, so I have no idea what you're supposed to do size wise or anything like that. So 2, a 2, a 1.5, a 1, another 1.5, another 2 twos I think again. No, just yeah, 2 twos. Because it's my quilt, no pattern, choose myself. Another 2. Two twos, now 2.5, and a 3. And that's all I'm doing at the moment because I don't do any more. Right, the first 2 inch, I'll get my darkest colour, I think. Right, my darkest one, which is this. I'm just going to take apart the seam and that'll go up. Oh, and I've got the selvage on that one, so and on that one, so that gives me the layout. Right, start again. Right, there's my darkest one. And you can't see these easily because my work surface isn't big enough. Right, my darkest one. Now, I think I'll have my swoop going down for a bit. Or shall I have it going up? Yeah, I'll have it going up. So, if my let me move things around. My darkest one is here, leading down to the patterning one. Flip this the right side. So, if I did that again, I'd get a complete match, and I don't want that. I want it to notch up by 1. So that's where it's going to go. And that'll take it all up. So I want me second one taking out. So there's the second seam. Move this, see it better. The 1 inch strip now. So That was the second seam, so I want the third seam. Oh, and it's upside down, my words are. Nope, they aren't. It was me putting it down the wrong way. And it goes like that. So find my dark one again, and this is the fourth strip, so there's my dark one. And that's obviously the first seam, second, third, fourth, because this is the fourth strip. But this is how I'm going along, and we'll see how it goes. Now I'm on my fifth strip, so seam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing my fifth. I'm going to sew these together now and see what it looks like, and I'll show you then. The end of the first day. That's it, I've turned some more lights on. Oops, that's in. Pull out of there.